The first step of organizing your Google Drive is super simple. In your Google Drive on the left-hand side, you have some different areas and filters that you can access to view different things. If you look at the Shared with Me filter, these are items that you do not own, someone else owns, and we're going to leave these things alone for now. This is going to be the most complicated part that we can come back to and do later. The second step is to find the untitled files in your Google Drive, figure out what is important to keep, and then name them. You want to come up with a consistent naming convention, a way to name things. And I suggest being as descriptive as you can in your naming because you're not limited in the number of characters you use. So for example, you could call one of the copies of your resume, perhaps Personal Resume, December 2022. You may have another copy that's your personal resume, but it's from the summer of 2022. You may have another type of a resume in your Google Drive where you perhaps just used minimal formatting. It was pretty plain and simple, and you did it on Google Docs. Maybe you put all of that into the name, as opposed to this one, Sample Resume, Artistic Format, using a product called Canva. To find these untitled files in your Google Drive, we're going to come over here to the search area and click on the three broken lines up here. And we can just start by searching for documents. I'm going to select Owned by Me. Has the words means these are the words or some of the words that are found in the file. I know that the item name of a bunch of my things is called Untitled. So I'm going to type that in, and I'm going to leave the date at any time, and I'm going to click search. And it's going to bring up all of these untitled documents that I have. I can change my view and kind of get a preview of them and go, oh, look, this one's blank. I don't need this. So I'm going to right click on it, scroll down. Well, let me get this up here so you can see. Right click, scroll down, and down here at the bottom, if I had a larger screen and could scroll down, there's a button that says remove. If I decide that I need to keep this Google document right here, to rename it, I'm going to right click on it, rename it, and maybe this is my English project about a persuasive essay, and it's probably like draft 1. And I may put a date on that, like September 2022, and then hit OK. So now that document has been named, and I can go back into my Google Drive and later on move it into a folder that says English.